right, the first property we have is the sum of limits. Can you see that color? The sum of limits says, actually before I do that, we need some information. So the limit as x approaches c of f of x is equal to k, and the limit as x approaches c of h of x is equal to m.
Is that a K?
Yeah. C.
C?
C, like cat. Sum of the limits says that if I have a limit as x approaches c of the two functions added together, I can take the value of those limits and add them together. Again, the sum of the limits tells me if the limit exists on the two limits given and they're being added together, I can take the value of their limits and add them together. Am I going too fast? Just right? Somebody said yeah? Oh, okay. The next is difference of limits. What do you think we're going to do for difference of limits? What operation?
And then
So if sum is addition,
subtraction.
subtraction. So I'm going to take the limit as x approaches c of f of x minus h of x. Then I can subtract their limits. Order matters here. You have to make sure you are subtracting in the correct order. 5 minus 3 is not the same as 3 minus 5. You have to make sure you're subtracting in the correct order. What do we think is the next one for using algebraic operations? What do we think is the next one? Similar? Mm-mm. Nope. Mm-mm. Multiplying. So we have the product of limits. Am I off screen? Am I good? Do I need to move down? The product of limits says that if I have the two functions being multiplied together, I know it's multiplication because there's no operation. Again, I know it's multiplication because there's no operation separating the two functions. I can multiply the two together. And then last, what do we think it is? Division. So that is the quotient of limits. That says if I have the limit as x approaches c of the two functions being divided by each other, I can also take those values of the limits and divide them. Is that better? In math, there is something we cannot divide by. What can't we divide by in math? No, we can divide by negatives. 0. We cannot divide by 0. So the stipulation here, the thing that cannot happen, is that the denominator, which is m, cannot equal to 0. Diego? Oh wait, Edwin, you wanted to fill up your water bottle, right? Go ahead, put that, and then you can go after him. Then you can go after him.
Can I go into the
You're on last on my list.
Yeah, it's right.
Yeah, but I have people who don't go every day. Ask. When you're done writing that down, take out the sheet, the other sheet that you picked up. Since you use that as your notes.
When you could have asked, you could have said you needed one. Use your words. You know what, now I'm not
All right. Let's look at level 2. So we have values for 3 different functions. We have a value for f, a value for g, and a value for h. When we're doing limits, you have to make sure that all of these x's are going to the same value. Are all of these approaching the same value?
Yes.
How do you know?
They're all going into X and to A.
Yeah, they're all going to A. So on your assessments, you have to pay attention because there will be different A values. So pay attention to which ones they're asking you, okay? But all of these are just approaching A today. So this is how we use the properties. This is addition. This is the sum, which means all I'm going to do is I'm going to take whatever f of x is and whatever g of x is and just substitute in those values. What's f of x? What is the value of f of x? 2. What is the value of g of x?
2.
No. Nope, not negative 2. Negative 4. G, negative 4. Don't guess. Okay. Well, we're following this, right? So f of x,
Oh, yeah, okay.
okay? Then I have the plus sign, and then I have the 2, and then g of x is negative 4. Okay? I think that's negative 6. No, not think. I know that's negative 6. Questions? Are we sure? All right. Then I want you to do the rest of the page with your group, and then we'll come back in about 6 minutes, 7 minutes. It shouldn't take that long. You are working on math. If you are off task, that's just going to be a log. I'm not even going to say it is. You know when you're off task. no, you will have to, yeah. You'll have to. Does it? Yeah, everything's the same. No. Why do you have an S? No. All you're doing is, you see H of X, right? What is the value of H of X? 0. So then instead of H of X, put some 0. Hold on, Caesar, did you have a question? Alright, I don't know. Yeah. Not 0, it is 3 parentheses. What's G of X? Get the top.
The Chihuahua? Oh, looks exactly like.
There is, never mind, you're right.
I'll put your name down and let you know.
Correct.
Yeah.
You put in, this one's supposed to be 8. I don't know the digits.
What? It didn't break it. No, try to play it. That's not like that. I'm trying to make it that way.
Giovanni, Alexa, and then go Giovanni. You can go after Alexia. Oh, oh, is that you said? Oh, you said negative, that's why. Sorry, you look like
I know they do because I and then next to me, Is it me?
Oh, yeah, sure. Thank you. If you need help with the cubed root, math number 4. Math number 4.
Can I have the cake, miss?
No.
You're going to the doctor? So just give it to me.
Nope, not times 2.
Look, can you check the rest?
I'm about to give the answers. What's up? No.
Miss, you're not on the
Thank you.
Wait, why is it's not negative 16?
I'll talk about that in a second. All right. Seniors, bring it back. In 3, 2, 1. So, I got a question. Why is this not negative 16? I bet you put it in your calculator exactly like this. That's wrong. Because your calculator is doing order of operations, which means that it's doing 4 squared first, which is 16, but then multiplying by negative 1, which is negative 16. What you should have done, which is not equal, is you should have done this. Put it in parentheses. Okay? Because technically that square means that we are multiplying negative 4 twice, right? And then what's a negative times a negative? That's why it's positive 16. Questions? Okay. 30. What's up? Yeah. I can't hear you because people are talking back there. I think I'm just have to put the girls in the back and the boys in the front. There. Hit math. Math. Number 4. Okay. Any other questions? Yeah.
Negative 1/2 is producing me at 0.5.
Yeah. So this is 30 plus 9 minus 1, 38.
Wait, what?
I'm doing it in my head. I don't know if I'm right. So we have 16.
Take a slice of the cake first,
No.
and then it'll make you. Yeah. Oh, bro. Come on, that was unnecessary, miss.
15 plus 9 is 24. Divided by negative 8 is negative 3.
It is the same process?
Yeah. Then you have. I can't do this one in my head, but it is. Ladies and gentlemen in the back. Minus. So that is 24, 27, 3. Huh? How do you get 38? I did in my head, I could be wrong, but let me see. So I did 2 times 15, right? Minus negative 9
Oh, it is 10.
plus negative 1. 30 plus 9 minus 1, 38.
I was confused at the two, but I forgot if there's a three there.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Number 2, this one? That number 2? Okay. So we have 15 minus negative 9. Nope, not negative 19. Hold on. I said it's not negative 19. I made a mistake. Can you see or no? So 15 minus negative 9 is 24 over negative 8, which is negative 3. Yeah. What's the negative times the negative? Positive. That's why it becomes positive 9. Okay? Any more questions? Yeah. No. All right. When you're done, flip that over. When you're done, flip that over. You're next, and then Alexia's next. Okay. All right, seniors. Before I leave, what I want you to do, I want you to factor both the numerator and denominator. You need practice factoring. You need practice factoring. So I want you to factor 3 and 4 on both the numerator and denominator. X method. X method. Yes. I said calculus is all the maths put together.